Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So guys, if you're also facing this problem here, I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this problem. So the very first solution is that you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to open your browser in your device and search here for forgot.apple.com. Here you can see this. Tap on this and wait for some seconds here, and now tap on reset password. So guys, tap on reset my password from here. So guys, enter the passcode for your iPhone. So guys, from here you have to simply give a new password for your Apple ID. So guys, change the password for your Apple ID from here. And after this, tap on continue. And now here you can see this, your password has been changed. Tap on done. And now check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open your browser again and search here for support.apple.com. Here it is. And now select your device, and from here scroll it below all the way, and from here you have to tap on get support, and you can get any kind of support from the Apple authorities regarding this problem. So hopefully after this they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours and your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.